Hey everyone, welcome back to Ontario Gardening. So today we are kicking off our Medicinal March series, where every week I'm going to show you how to make some of the common things you're going to find in your medicine cabinet, and we are replacing them with non-pharmaceutical, more natural items. So the first up is Vicks Vapor Rub or chest rub for when you're sick, and this is only 4 ingredients that you need. You need a 1/4 cup of coconut oil, or you can use tallow. So if you already make tallow products and you have tallow on hand, you can use a 1/4 cup of tallow in lieu of coconut oil. Today I'm using coconut oil because I have a ton of it and I'd like to use some up. So 1/4 cup of that, 1 tablespoon of beeswax, and then you need some topical grade, skin safe, pure essential oils. And you're gonna need eucalyptus. This is actually the star of the show. So the eucalyptus is the one that is going to move the phlegm out of your lungs. It's the one that's going to act as the expectorant. And that one is the most, I guess, important of the 2 essential oils. The second one being peppermint. You can add other mints or anything like that to this recipe if you'd like. Just don't overdo it on the essential oils because you still need a proper ratio of like a carrier oil to essential oil so that you don't burn your skin. So these 2 are honestly the best, and those are the only ones that I'm going to be using today. And you're going to need 20 drops of each of that. So all you need now for this is a container to hold your finished product in, and you're going to need a double boiler system. If you don't have a double boiler, I don't. I use a pot of hot water, and you get that up to a nice boil/simmer, and you put a metal pot on top, and this is where we're going to melt our ingredients into. This is to prevent putting things straight into a pot and having it scald. Basically, your water is going to act as the heater, and the steam is going to heat this slowly as opposed to really fast and boil it. So go ahead and add your coconut oil to your double boiler situation, and we're going to let that boil down before we add our beeswax. And now that the coconut has melted down, we are going to go ahead and add our 1 tablespoon of beeswax. And then we basically want this now to melt into that. And it shouldn't take long, probably just about 2 minutes. I do want to add, when we are doing other salves in this series and ones that I've done before, because this is a high oil, coconut oil to beeswax ratio, there's a lot more of the oil than there is the beeswax. It's not going to be like that hard balm / chapsticky type consistency. This is going to be more like a Vicks Vapor Rub. That is just the steam coming from underneath. No need to be alarmed. So a lot of times if I was using a 1/4 cup coconut oil in a different recipe, you'd use 2 tablespoons of beeswax in order to get that harder consistency. This is not going to be like that at all. And we don't want it to be like that. We want it to be the consistency of Vapor Rub so that we can easily go ahead and rub it onto our chest. But I just wanted to make note of that for anybody who, when it's time to cool this down and have it quote unquote harden up and it's not getting hard like you're used to in other recipes, that's why. Because we're not looking for the same type of consistency here. Okay, and we are all melted down. So now at this point we can just remove it from the immediate heat source, and we're going to go ahead and add those essential oils. So 20 drops of the eucalyptus and 20 drops of the peppermint. And just make sure to stir them in. Take a whiff, make sure that it is to your liking in terms of scent. It's giving a slight burn to my nostril, so that's exactly where we want it. The same that Vicks would. So now we can go ahead and move it into our container that we're using. And that's pretty much it for that. I'm going to let it harden up, and I will actually show you what that looks like, just so you have an idea. And this is going to save us from that petroleum and the poisons that are in the petroleum when we buy Vicks. So I'll show you what this looks like in about half an hour to an hour and finish this off. Okay, and here it is. So see what I mean about how it's a nice, like gel-like consistency? It's exactly the same consistency you would find in an aloe vera. And by aloe vera, I mean Vicks Vapor Rub. Sorry, guys. My mind is somewhere else. I'm also making like a sun balm. So that is it. Homemade Vicks. Super, super healthy in comparison to the other. And just 4 ingredients. We will see you next week. Bye.